If you need to reset your password on Symbl.ai, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the Symbl.ai website and click on the login option to reach the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Symbl.ai account in the designated field and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Ensure your new password meets the required criteria. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your account with your new credentials.